How to enable YouTube dark mode on mobile and desktop. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your YouTube dark mode. Starting with your phone. So you're going to go to your YouTube app and you're going to go to your profile on the top right corner. You're going to go down to settings and go to the second option, general. Then you will go to the option appearance and you can use light theme, or you can use dark theme. And if you want to skip all of this, you can just use device theme. So when your device goes into dark mode, your YouTube will do the same. How to enable. Now on your desktop, you will also go to your YouTube homepage and you'll go to the top right corner and you will have the options of appearance, which you'll click on, and you can use the light theme or click on the dark theme and it will give you the dark theme option. Also, if you want to set your YouTube to your computer for the light and dark mode, you can just go to appearance again and you click on use device theme and it will do exactly the same. So when your desktop goes to the light theme option, YouTube will also do so. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.